Alright, so here is our round before we start. I really like the detail on this one. It's got a lot of variation while staying very nice and simple. There's our coin so far. Looking pretty good. Appreciate it. What coin is that? This is a half-ounce fine silver. Tape is hanging on today. Looking pretty sharp. It's just a little, that is. And it's double-sided, so the tail side detail is all on the inside of the ring there. You can see it says fine silver, 2023, 1/2 troy ounce. Ring came out pretty good. Nice detail on this. Really, really cool. Well, guys, I'm going to head out of here. So if you haven't yet, hit that follow button so you can catch me next time I go live. I hope the rest of your day is fan-freaking-tastic, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.